Hello dear friend, now we are inside Fusion Studio. You can see here, you can check about Fusion Studio. This is our build now, Fusion Studio 20.2.1. If you have access to DaVinci Resolve Studio, if you have activation key, you can activate Fusion Studio using the same activation key and serial number. You don't need to buy the software. If you haven't any activation key, you use DaVinci Resolve free version. You can use DaVinci Resolve. You can use Fusion inside DaVinci Resolve. The features are almost same, but here the render speed is very fast. This is the standalone version only for VFX, compositing, motion graphic, etc. dear friend. So let's download, and after downloading, let's see how to start in Fusion Studio, how we can add nodes, etc. What's a node, how we can make a composition in Fusion Studio. If you are beginners, this tutorial will be very perfect for you. This tutorial will be useful even for the advanced user. We just close here, come to the website of Blackmagic. Here you can see now we are inside Fusion on the Blackmagic forum. Here just click here, and now you will come to here to download Fusion Studio. You see here DaVinci Resolve here. Now this is our version. Here you can check latest update DaVinci Resolve 20.2.2. we have already updated DaVinci Resolve 20.2.2. if you haven't gone through that video, go to the playlist and you can see. Now let's download here Fusion Studio 20.2.2. here you can see, you can read all the details about this here. According to your system, just choose one. Mac OS, Windows 86. I have Windows, I will choose this. And for Linux, you can choose this Windows. Here from here you can download. In the last tutorial I have already download process, activation process. Go and see. If you haven't gone through that video, go and see. Here we will download very fast and go through the compositions, how to make composition in Fusion Studio. Here okay, we just click here, and now here you will fill up all the form and register. Here very easily you will download. Hello dear friend, in today's Fusion tutorial, let's see how to make such type of basic compositions in Fusion Studio, like this zigzag roads. On that road the car is running, and how we can achieve this result inside Fusion Studio. This class is intended to beginners who want to learn Fusion Studio, and there are very few tutorials on YouTube like this to explain all in details, and most of tutorials are paid, very costly dear friend. That's why I have made this tutorial, because I don't see such type of tutorial explaining all nodes. So in this tutorial I will explain 4-5 nodes here, how to use. We have already gone through some of tutorials about the basic of Fusion Studio. That's why this tutorial is about composition, how to make join several photos and use keyframing and animate with keyframing. Don't miss any part of the video. All parts in this video are very important. Don't forget to subscribe the channel dear friend. Your one subscription gives me lots of motivation to make more Fusion tutorial for you. This year we have to achieve 1000 subscriber, and you will help me to achieve 1000 subscriber dear friend. I'm working hard. It's a very necessary for me to grow on YouTube. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC inside Fusion Studio to make all these basic compositions. Now we have opened Fusion Studio here. Now let's see how we can make this composition inside Fusion Studio. Inside Fusion Studio you can do a lots of things. You can design even logo, you can make YouTube thumbnail, etc. such type of compositions, various type of effects, whatever you will imagine you can do inside Fusion Studio. For this we come to our file explorer. Here I have this road, you can see zigzag road, and in this zigzag road, as I have shown you, we want to put here car here. Okay, we just drag this to here. You see inside here, you see this is the timeline like DaVinci Resolve. It's the same things. It's the nodes. We will put all nodes here. If you haven't gone through my previous class about the basic of Fusion Studio, go and see. Now you can see I have here zigzag road. It's not visible here because we have to click here. You see point here. Once click this point, and you can see we have these zigzag roads. No, our resolution is this here. You can see, but we can change resolution. Come here to file here. In file, come here. You see here preference. Just click preference. In preference, come here for format. You see format, and we can change this format. It will be, because this is always default. You can take a lots of formats from here, but I want to take this format. Okay, and save. This format will be always save here. If you want to add background here, just click here. You see here, this is the background. Now we have background through merge. If you click any nodes, and it will be added through merge. We have already learned in the previous class that merge combines two nodes to make the effects etc. It's not like layer based composition like after effect etc. So you can see we have here background. Just we can see what's the resolution of background. Come here and preference. Now you can see this is our resolution shape. Now we want to take a car here, and we want to put the car here. Okay, just come to file explorer here. I have a car, transparent car without background here, you can see. And you can download this car on the Pixabay Pixels, and you can remove the background here inside Fusion. But I have removed this background in Affinity Photo. Just click here, direct to a timeline here, and you can see we have this node now, and we want to join this here. So merge, you can see merge. If you want to see all the effect together here, it will be visible here. Just click to here second. Now we have already merged background and this zigzag road here. You can see this merge tool is merging here. Now we have here card transparent. If you want to see here, just click one. I want to see in view one. This is the view two. These are independent. Anytime you can use any of these two view panel. We just click here. I want to see this in one, and we just click here one here. You see here one. You can see now this is our car here. Now I want to put this car here. You see here on this road. It's a very simple. You have to take merge two from here. You can see we have to take other merge, and we have to merge here. But what we will do, very easy way to merge this. We just come here. You see here. You see, just click merge on merge second here, and just release. 1 second, I show you. We return here, just click merge, because we want to add one more merge here. Here in this side we will add, it will not work. We have to add this on the front, because we want to add this car on the front here. You see here, if you add this, it will be go to background, it will be not visible, because you can make such type of mistake. We don't need to add here this side. We want to add here. You see, we just click merge one, and through merge one it will be added. Okay, just we release here. You see green line here, it has appeared. Merge two will, when you will release here, merge two will appear, and it will connect. You can see here we have merge two here you can see. It's a very important, because that's why Fusion is a little bit confusing, but because there are very few tutorials on YouTube, and most of tutorials are paid, so it's very difficult to learn Fusion. You can see it has added here, but it's not visible, because merge 2 is our now final output. Now we have to click 2. Now you can see it's visible, because this is the one. This is not our final output, because we have already added merge 2. Now our main reference output will be 2 here. Once you click here, you can see it's not visible here. You see zigzag, click here, only zigzag road is visible here. And when you click merge to here, you see it's visible here. Okay, in this way you can add here, and you can now adjust your nodes here. I want to put this node here, and this node will be here. Okay, this our zigzag road will be here, our reference car will be here, but we want to put this car here, like we want to make it small. For this you have to take a transform node, and we have to add this transform node here. You can see between merge and this car, and just click on merge, and because we want to add just behind this merge, just click shift plus space bar, all the effects will appear here. Now type here transform very carefully. Type transform here. We need this transform. We don't need 3D transform, texture transform. We need this transform, simple transform, and just click add. Now you can see we have added transform. Now we can make it small, we can rotate, we can give various type of rotation effect here. Just I want to show you. Now we come to transform here, and in transform you can see size here. all size are appear here. You see X, Y, Z, size, aspect ratio. You can even rotation. You can give various type of effect, add keyframing, etc. Now we want to make it small. Here you see you can add point here. Now it's small, and you can see X, Y, and direct you can hold this and just put here. So you can see here we have transform. So we have put this here. We can drag this anywhere. You see here direct I want to put this here you can see. So it's a like basic composition, how you can add, even you can resize. If you want to resize any of this car or background, you have to take a resize node. For example, I want to resize this zigzag. Just click here and shift plus space bar, type here resize. Now we have resize nodes here and just click here. And now you can resize, come here to resize here, and from here you can see you can resize the canvas here. We have 1920 by 1080p, and we can make like according to our choice, our requirement, we can change the canvas here. So these are the tools are very important. You can see here shift plus space bar, there are so many tools, and you have to learn every tools, their function works in one class. You can't learn, so you have to learn all by step. So dear friend, we will add all tools one by one. So you can see here, now you can resize, you can understand, cancel here, transform tool, merge tool, and resize tool. In resize we can just take any canvas here. You see we are changing canvas. You see here like a small 720 canvas you can make like this. See here like this canvas, any you can type the number here directly. Like in this way you can make very small canvas. Okay, actually this is the work of a resize tool. Any things you can resize here. Just I click okay, we don't need this. Just I have told you how you can use a resize tool to resize this canvas. Even the car you can resize here. Okay, now we come to transform. If you want to change the car position etc, you can come here, you can change position, like you see left right I want to put here. And here you can see rotation. If you want to rotate like this, it will rotate. You see rotating now. And if you want to, you can see car here, and we want to turn car the back. I want to turn back this side. So you can come here, you see here flip here. Now you can see flip. You see this side, we have flip that side. It's so very easily you can change the direction from here. Flip right, flip, you see up, down, left, right, you can flip. We want the change. Now you can see we have changed the direction here. And we can add keyframing. In the next class we will learn how we can move car from here. For basic I want to show you how we can move this here. You can add keyframing here. For example, when our car will be here, you see here, and we can start keyframing here. You see XY, just we add keyframing here. You can see here, now we can change like this. Our car will be here, and when our frame will be here, you can see here. Now we can move like this, something like this. You see here, and this Y will be here. You see here. And we can add keyframing here. You see pivot, and it will be like this. You see here in this way. Now play and see the effect. You see our car is coming here. You see here. Hello dear friend, we have already gone through Fusion Studio 20.2, downloaded and learned how to design, how to make Fusion composition etc there. Now you can see this is our version here. Let's go through the release notes. What's new in Fusion Studio 20.2.2. The following features have been added or updated. Addressed issues, editing spline is in values. Addressed some duplicate viewer menu entries. Addressed issues when loading some USD textures paths. Addressed viewing and named layers from render 3D. Address aperture metadata naming in OpenEXR files. addressed net rendering of some Switzerland comps, addressed issue when decoding JPEG gain maps, addressed issues viewing short images on Blackmagic monitoring devices, general performance and stability improvements. This is the release note of Fusion Studio 20.2.2 here. We learned the basic of Fusion Studio, how we can composite inside Fusion Studio. We will add more tutorials in Fusion Studio because there are lots of things to do inside Fusion Studio. 1-2 class is not enough, dear friend. Write me in the comment box which type of tutorial you want. Don't forget to subscribe the channels. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.